Alright, so today in this particular video, I'm gonna guide you how you can send location in WhatsApp. So first of all, open your WhatsApp application. Then after, maybe this is the person you want to send a location. So come here at the bottom, look at here, just click this file icon. Then you have to see here location. So click in location. So look at, click in location, and then what you have to insert is you have to give a permission by opening the location GPS. So now in here GPS is disabled, so you have to show location setting. Just click on OK, and then you have to give apps local location permission. So click, because the location is currently off, so click in location, add location permission. And then after, what you have to do is here the device location is turned off. So first of all, you have to on the device location. So click in change here. Alright, so it asks you to give a permission, use location. So this is a permission that asks you to on the current device location. So open the location, so use location again, go back, and then you see the location icon is already activated, so you can send your current location for anybody else, whether family, friends, business partner, or anyone. If you are interested, you can send your current location, and based on that location, people track and find you with your current location you send through the WhatsApp. So click in the current location. So now the current location is already sent, and once you send the location and people click on the location icon and directly asks you to connect with Google Map location or Google Earth. Okay, so click in Google Map, right? So this is the location. Look at, this is the current location around here. That is it. So this is all about what I have for you. If any unclear thing, you can ask me in the comment section below. Don't forget to subscribe and be a family. God bless you. Enjoy it. See you soon. Bye bye.